Welcome to Rive. Rive is a design tool built for both individual and collaborative use. On the left sidebar is where you'll find all of your primary navigation. You probably launched this video from the Learn page. The section with your name is where your personal files live. Everything created here is free as a part of the individual plan, which is included with every Rive account. While you're in here, you can use the plus button to create a new file. This opens up the Rive editor in a new tab. Now, you can either import an SVG file or use Rive's built-in design tools to create something new from scratch. To get started, you'll want to add an artboard. Artboards are where your graphics live, so you'll want at least one, but you can add as many as you'd like. On the left side of the editor, you'll find the hierarchy, which shows you all the contents of the active artboard. On the right side, you'll find the inspector, which shows you all of the properties of the selected object. Hit Tab to switch to animate mode and bring your creations to life. You'll notice the inspector changes to reflect the properties that can be animated by displaying a key icon. If you've worked with other animation software, you'll feel right at home with our timeline. Set some keys by moving the playhead and changing an object's properties like position and scale. Then use the interpolation panel to control easing. Each artboard can house multiple animations. These animations are displayed to the left of the timeline. This allows for animation mixing, which is an important part of interactive animation. We'll cover this in more detail in another video. When you're ready, use the download option in the export menu to integrate your files with any of our supported platforms. Our runtimes are all open source, and you can find a complete list of them on the Learn page. This is an ever-evolving list that currently includes web, iOS, Android, Flutter, and C++. So, you can create personal files, but what if you need to collaborate with multiple users? Rive allows you to create teams where you and other members can work on the same files asynchronously or in real time. To create a collaborative space, use the new Team button, pick a name, and choose a plan. You now have a space where you and your team members can share files and collaborate. You can create as many teams as you want, and you'll only be billed for members as you add them. That's all you need to know to get started with Rive, but there's plenty more to learn. If you're interested in more, check out the Learn page where you'll find the technical documentation, as well as the Welcome to Rive, Distinctly Rive, and Runtime Funtime playlists. We'll continuously update these playlists and add more in the future, so be sure to check back frequently. Thanks for choosing Rive. We can't wait to see what you create.